Boom, YouTube, what's going on? It's Sean Boyle here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to optimize Cloudpano virtual tours, and we are starting right now. What's going on, guys? If you haven't yet, stop, go to our YouTube channel, click subscribe, and click that little bell too, so you get notifications whenever we post a new video. You will be the first person to know. Thank you so much for the support, and now the video you've been wanting to watch. Alright guys, what's going on? Hope you're having a tremendous weekend. So this video is all about Cloudpano tour optimization. If you guys aren't familiar with Cloudpano, I actually came into contact with my now mentor, Zach Calhoun. He invented this. He invented Cloudpano about 5 years ago, I want to say. And it's just been really good for Momentum 360, our virtual tour company. We are in 10 different countries currently, and we want to further expand that in 2021. We want to be in every single continent other than Antarctica, of course, so by the end of the year. So that's really our goal, and I think we can achieve this with Cloudpano. So I wanted to show you guys a full optimization of this wonderful trailer right here. Shout out Temporary Kitchens 123. They are a kitchen trailer rental in California. They go and give homeless veterans, homeless people in general, people that have low income, meals. They serve 20,000 meals a day. So temporarykitchens123.com. These guys are tremendous. All right, so let's start. First and foremost, I will say that you guys need to shoot 360 panos and then stitch them together and then upload them to the tour right here. All you need to do is just add images. You can put as many as you want. You can see here 50 megabytes, whatever that is, per photo max. Obviously, you can take JPEG, PNG, all that stuff. You could also sort the images if you want to swap them. You could simply do that right here. Very easy. If you also want to label the images, you can do this right here as well to say, okay, these are the exterior panos for the trailer. And then if you go into the trailer itself, it's okay, here are the interior panos of the trailer. And something that you guys will love is you can actually put a contact person, phone number, and an email as well. Just basic information so you can go ahead and contact someone. And something I'll show you guys right here is just like with Matterport, Kula, 3D Vista, a lot of other virtual tour softwares, not only can you set an initial view, you can also link the hotspots together so you can create a full 3D walkthrough. So if I was to click scene or scene, these two tags right here, it would go and progress me if I clicked here into the trailer, or if here I would just go further along checking out the width of the trailer. Next, we can also add info spots or tags to the trailer. So for instance, I'll show you guys what all that looks like. So you can see right here, you can put a hyperlink. Let me move myself right here. You can put a hyperlink. So if I wanted to say, click here for a free quote or whatever, put in temporarykitchens123.com. You can also put in, like I said, short text, image. If you want to put a YouTube video, you can put the HTML in there as well. And then you can also choose the icon that comes with it as well. It's a really, really awesome software. And you also have guides right here if you need help writing the HTML code, embedding YouTube. It's all there for you. So for this one, what are we going to do? I did a gold star before. Let's do a red one. Let's mix it up a little bit. So you can save the info spot, and then when you publish it, guys, you'll notice once you click here, you'll be directed to the website. And this is great too, because you can also put a Google tracking link to track, okay, how many people are clicking on this specific link or specific tag rather, going to the website. And this way you just have an overall great bank of data where you could possibly remarket to. Put it on MailChimp, put it on, I don't know, social media and redirect them that way. There's a boatload of things that you could do. So just know that obviously the more data you have, the more powerful your company is going to be. You can take that to the bank. So simply moving along here, guys, you can actually customize this. And this is something I love about Cloudpano. This is the one of many differentiators that I just love about Cloudpano. But you can put a custom logo of said companies. This is Temporary Kitchens logo 123. You can also pick out the hotspot style, whether that's going to be some aura, or you want to put just this little black one here, or the white one. And you can even, decide. You can make your own. That's the great thing about this. You could also change the theme of which the panos are going to be shown at the bottom. What you'll see when you publish this, and I'll do this in a second, is you'll have a boatload of panos where you can actually click, okay, I want to go, if you're looking at the trailer, you can go inside the trailer, you can go further inside the trailer, you can go outside of the trailer, you can go a whole 360 around the trailer. So it's really cool. And then next, what you guys will see is you can actually create a custom white labeled URL. And this is something that is very important because with Matterport specifically, I still use Matterport to this day, but you can't, there's probably a way where you can do it from some external software, but I don't use that yet. It's not inside Matterport, let's just put it that way, like it is with Cloudpano, where you can actually create white labeled URLs. So all of our tours are branded with tours.momentumvirtualtours.com. Really good idea. If your client wants to get a branded URL, it's very simple. You just need to change the DNS settings. They have a guide to go about doing this. So if you were to do that, you can just go over here or go to app.cloudpano.com/manage white labels, and you have a whole boatload of instructions of how to go about doing this. Zach does a tremendous job at showing off exactly what you guys need to do to be successful to get a great white labeled URL for your client or for your own virtual tour company. So just keep that in mind. Moving along here, what else do we have? Yeah, you can also preview the shot. You can put a watermark on this tour as well, kind of just like what Fiverr does or Upwork if they, or like any watermarked label, you can do that as well. So definitely keep that in mind. And then if you want to order a floor plan, you can actually do that as well. 24 to 48 hours they advertise that. And I have not done this yet, but it is only $25 with styles to choose from, schematic, realistic, 3D dollhouse. So again, if your client needs a 3D dollhouse and isn't necessarily wanting Matterport, and you want to do Cloudpano, obviously they don't come with a default 3D dollhouse like Matterport does. You can order them. And again, this is stuff that you can build and bill your clients. You can just build this into the whole package. So it's great. Once you have the floor plan, you can upload that. Really, really simple. And then this is something I love. This is one of my favorite features right here. You can actually enable a lead capture form. You could put a promo image, and then you could actually send your clients leads, literally. So for instance, if there is someone, I don't know, maybe a restaurant that wants to partner with Temporary Kitchens, I would put in, I don't know, maybe fogodechow.com, one of my favorite restaurants in Philadelphia. And you could put in info@fogodechow.com or info@temporarykitchens.com. Fogo de Chao hits them up and emails them right then and there. So again, it's just a great way to go about getting leads. And again, you can Google track this with a custom UTM link. It's just, Zach really thought of everything here. So there's not much else to say, but this is just a pretty revolutionary software. Again, you can add in Google tracking links, and you can actually add the property address as well. And then going to navigation, if you simply just want to have, and again, the navigation is when you click these tags, it's like, okay, what exactly is going to be the transition? That's essentially what it's going to be. Something like that with crossfade. If you want to go to cells, let's try that and see what that looks like. So that's pretty cool. Let's do radial. I like that too. So just know there's a boatload of things that you could really do here. There's so many features, it's crazy. You just need to get lost in it. Change navigation mode. So this is really, if you want to view the initial view, doesn't matter where they come from. This is just what they're going to see. And again, there's a YouTube video showing you how to do that. So it's great. Moving along here, something else that you can do as well is if you are, let's just say you're a co-working space or you're a gym and you want to show a member, a potential prospect, a potential client, a live demo, instead of hopping on a Zoom, you can simply, whether it's a party of 1 to 4 or just one-on-one, you can literally create your own live chat, your own live demo inside of the tour. So it's all personalized. It really is great. There's just a boatload of things here to I know I keep saying that, but you guys just really need to check this out. There's so many awesome things to poke around here. So that's that. And again, this all comes with the Virtual Tour Pro Plus program, which is only $33 a month. Unlimited tours. So you think if Matterport, you're getting charged, a couple $100s a month for, 100 tours. They don't have this feature. So again, just as time goes on, it's like, what are you going to do? Are you going to stick with Matterport? You're going to stick with some of these early option virtual tour softwares, or are you going to upgrade and think strategically, what is my client going to need? What is my client genuinely going to have to do on their end to help sell their memberships, to help sell their products, whatever they're looking to do? You need to think about these things too, because if you're thinking about your client and really understanding the problems, you can provide a solution within Cloudpano. So again, I know I'm kind of reiterating the same thing, but to me, it's a brilliant concept. And then something that you can do too, guys, is you can also share the tour with a given team. That's what I did with Temporary Kitchens right here. You can see the team owner right here, but you could also click the members. You can add them. I haven't added anybody yet, but we will do that pretty soon. And then something last but not least, guys, that you can see is you can actually create a Google tour. So Google is partnered with Cloudpano, and you guys have just like Matterport, this is a little more manual, so you'll have to do a couple more steps, but nonetheless, you will be building a virtual tour on Google in no time. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and publish this really quickly so you can see a full rendered Cloudpano virtual tour. We're still working on this, but just to show you exactly what it could potentially look like. So if you want to request information, here is that lead capture form. Let's go back here. You can see these stars right here. Click here for a free quote. Temporary Kitchens 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then if I want to go inside here, obviously it's all stitched together, 3D walkthrough. So now I am inside Le Tour. And then, guys, simply, if I wanted to change this this is the flow style I was talking about earlier. If I wanted to go outside, I simply just click it. And voila, now I'm outside. And again, if you have a Oculus headset, you can view it in virtual reality, or you can just view it in virtual reality right there. So guys, there's a boatload of things to do within this. I would just recommend, if you're looking to get more information about Cloudpano, I would simply go to app.cloudpano.com, or just simply go to cloudpano.com. They will give you a boatload of testimonials, a tremendous amount of just data, and they'll hop on a live demo with you just to show you exactly what this looks like. You can get a free plan as well. So if you just want to get, if you're really eager and you just want to poke around, I would recommend doing that too. But in the meantime, guys, if you got any value out of this video, give me a like below, give me a comment, and we keep making these videos every single week. I can't stop making these. I love just providing value in the virtual tour community. So guys, with that being said, have a great rest of your Valentine's weekend. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there, and we will see you on the next one. Peace.